Google has introduced two certifications. One is a Gemini Enterprise deployment, and another is a Gemini Enterprise agent deployment. Both are the newest Google Cloud Partner certifications. So, in this video, we will complete first lab for the first certification. Lab is a deploy Google Enterprise with Workspace Data and Model Armor. This is the first lab of first certification. We will get certified once we complete all three labs for this certification. For this first certification, we have three labs. This 1, 2, and 3, three labs. After completion of these three labs, once we pass the labs, we will get the certification. And for this another certification, which is Google Enterprise Agent Deployment. For this certification, we have again three labs. After completion of these three labs, we will get certified, and our certification will be displayed on our Credly account. Now let's begin with the first lab. I already opened the lab and started, and resources are also allocated to me. We have to make sure that we should open this in incognito mode. Here are some basic steps that we have to complete. This terms and services, we have to agree and continue. We'll skip all these things and let's go to our actual lab. First thing is prepare a grounding data. It is said download the following files from the pre-configured Google Cloud Storage bucket. Then upload this file to the home directory of Google Drive using this account to serve as initial knowledge base. These two files, symbol Q4 sales data and a sales analysis report, both are stored in a Google Cloud bucket. If we go to the cloud storage, in the cloud storage we have the bucket. In the bucket we have to download these two files, Q4 sales data and a sales analysis report. We will download both of this file in our local. Then we have to upload this file to the Google Drive. Here is our Google Drive, and it is asked to upload this file on the home directory. We will upload the files. Upload files. We will go to the files. This is the location where we have downloaded the file. Then we will upload both these files. Okay, this thing is done. We will close this window. Now, after that, what it is said, configure identity and authentication. In this subtask, you should establish a secure handshake between Gemini Enterprise and Google Workspace. Navigate to the Gemini Enterprise console and activate the API. Okay, then we will go to the Gemini API, Gemini Enterprise console, and we will activate the API. Gemini Enterprise. Let's activate the API. It will ask for a start 30-day free trial. Click OK. Continue. Activate the API. Next, create a Gemini Enterprise application called this in the US region. Okay. Create a Gemini Enterprise application. We have to create the application with this name. Okay, it is directly shown Gemini Enterprise application. This application name we have given, and region they have told us to US. There is nothing told for the advanced options. We'll skip this thing. Let's create. Fail to create app. User storage with name folder does not exist. We will close and we will retry this thing. Create new app. Application name US. Create. Our app is created successfully. Then what we have to do, configure the Gemini app to use Google identity as identity provider. Okay, configure the Gemini app to use Google identity as identity provider. We go to the Google identity. Third step is configure the Gemini app to use Google identity as identity provider. For this, we have to go to the Gemini Enterprise and then go to the settings. Under settings, set this as a Google entity. We have created application for the US region, so just if we do for this US region also, that is fine. Fourth step is create auth consent screen on the Google Auth platform with the following configuration. Then go to the Google Auth platform for this. Here they have given the app name Gemini Enterprise something. This app name, supported email, next. Then internal, I guess they have given. Yes, audience is internal, and contact information is this email ID. Next, contact information. Next, I agree, continue, create. That's it. Then another, create an auth client with the following configurations. We have to create auth client. In this Google Auth platform, go to the clients, create a new client, copy the application type, web application, name as this name, Again, what is given? Authorize a redirect URL. Copy this. Authorize a redirect URL. Put here. Add URL. Create. It will take 5 minutes to few hours to complete. Okay, it is created, and let's see what they have said. They have told to copy client ID and client secret for the future use. We'll copy client ID somewhere and the client secret. Okay, to use. Sure. This is created. Go to the next thing. Create and connect data source. Now in this subtask, you should create an interconnected intelligence network by setting up evolving data source as a data stores connected to your Gemini Enterprise app. We have to connect the Google Drive to your Gemini Enterprise app. For this, you will go to the Gemini Enterprise app. Gemini Enterprise. This is our Gemini Enterprise app which we have created. Go to the data stores. Create data store. Here we have to select Google Cloud. No, we have to select Google Drive as a data source. Data store type Google Drive. Client ID, client secret. Verify authentication. Let's check what we have to do. Include this thing. Continue. Okay, here we have to put client ID, which we have copy pasted. Then client secret. Verify. It will verify. Continue. Region, what they have given. Region is US. US region, your data connector name. Data connector name. Copy this. Paste here. Create. Do we miss anything? Actionable to enable all, set all, advanced option, use default values. Okay, there is no issue. Okay, and after this we have to connect Google Mail similarly. Then again we will go to the Google Enterprise and data store, create data store, show all. Here you will search for Google Mail, add Google Mail, continue here. Again client ID we have to put client secret, verify auth. If you think I'm little bit fast, then pause the video and do one by one. Data connector name they have given, just copy paste the data connector name. Okay, everything is done. We will create the app. Okay, this thing also done. Then we have to connect our Google Calendar. Again, go to the data store. See here for the Google Calendar. Add data store. Continue here. Put the client ID and client secret. Here is a client secret. Copy paste this thing. Verify out. Below here. Continue. Connector name they have given. Use the same thing. Connector name. Copy paste this thing. US multi-region. Same. US multi-region. Create. Okay, this one also created. Now they are asking create people via customer connector. Next step is to create a people via custom connector data store using the following configuration. Go to the create data store, show all. Okay, where is that? Yeah, here is people via custom connector, add data source. What source they have given? Import data from Google Cloud Storage. File name I guess they have given the file name. Yeah, right. Input data file. This JSON file name. We have to put here, copy paste, continue, configuration, what data store name they have given this thing, copy paste, create. Okay, check my progress. Wait to create this thing. Okay, this thing is created. We'll go here, we will check. Please attach all the data stores in the app named Gemini Enterprise as specified in the lab instruction. I'm not sure what we have missed. We have created this thing, right? Let me check what is our app name. CYMINV Enterprise. Right, we just created. I guess we have not connected the data stores. We have to connect the data stores. No data store. Go back. Add existing data stores. We have all these 4 data stores. We will connect all these 4 data stores. This thing we missed actually. All data stores are connected successfully. Changes in the search result can be seen after 10 minutes if the data stores need to be indexed. You might wait several hours for final search result behavior. Okay. So data stores are connected. Now let's check what is our progress. Yeah, it's completed. Then task 2 is deploy model armor policies. Symbol investment require a robust security layer to prevent LLM from leaking sensitive information and being manipulated by the adversarial inputs in this task. We will configure model armor security templates such as intelligent firewall and this thing. First step is to enable this API. Copy, paste here, enable the API, model armor API. Enable the API. Then to implement this thing. Okay, create model armor template, name this thing. This template will protect incoming user prompts before they are processed by Gemini Enterprise. Your configuration must satisfy the following enterprise security requirement. Okay, we have to create a model armor template. Create template. First ask for template ID. Template ID is given. Then location type multi-region US. Location type multi-region US. Then filter version stable. Modality specific modalities. Filter version stable modality. Okay, what they have given modality. Specific modality text. Okay, specific modality text only. Malicious URL detection enabled. Malicious URL detection enabled. Prompt injection enabled with high confidence level. Okay, enabled with high confidence level. Then sensitive data protection enabled with basic detection type. Sensitive data protection basic detection type here. All content filters high. Where it is? Okay, all content filters high. Create a second model armor template. Okay, we will first finish this one. Create. Yeah, our model armor template is created. We will go for the another. Create template. We have to create a second model armor. For the second model armor, they have given this template ID. Template ID, then multi-region US stable, this thing. Prompt injection and jailbreak detection. This is disabled. Okay, till that everything is same. Multi-region US, filter version stable, modality specific, text only, malicious URL detection. Okay, prompt injection is disabled, I guess, right? Prompt injection disabled. Sensitive data protection basic detection. All content filters high. Now create the template. Our template is now created successfully. Now next step is finally configure the symbol enterprise application to use the newly created model armor template. Ensure you use the right template or user prompt and model response output. Refer to the document for the guidance on configuring the Gemini Enterprise application with model armor. By deploying model armor, you have implemented a mission critical security layer that safeguards the symbol investments AI ecosystem while preserving the operational efficiency. This configuration continuously monitor, evaluate user prompt and model responses. Okay. Okay, now what they have told, we have to configure the symbol enterprise app to use newly created model armor template. We have two templates. Ensure you use the right template for user prompts and model response output. Okay. Yeah, I got that in the security. Here we have the option for the model armor configuration. Gemini Enterprise Notebook LM. Okay, configure model armor. Enable model armor. Yes. Use prompt template. Model armor template. We have created two model armor. One, two, right. Symbol security template input. Symbol NV security template output. Okay. Any valid format. It is not accepting. There we have to give the path for this model armor template. We'll copy both of this. One is a input and another is output. Let me copy the output template and then input template. We have to copy these paths. Then we have to give these paths to our enterprise application. Once we copy this path, we'll go to the Gemini Enterprise application. We will go to our app. Then we will go to the configurations. Under configuration, go to the assistant. Then enable this toggle, enable model armor. We have the two model armor templates. One is the input and another is the output. So input template we have to give here, model armor template for user prompts, which is our input, and another output one is for model armor template for response output, which is for the output template. We have copied these two templates. We will paste this one by one, this input template here and the output template here. Save and publish. I'm not sure this is going to work. Let's check what they have mentioned next. Query the Gemini app. On the connected data sources page of your Gemini Enterprise app, wait for data stores being created to reach active status. Okay, let me check what is the status. Data store, connected data stores. Go to the connected data stores. Okay, these two are active and this one initialization failed. Okay, then what we have to do? We have to unlink this and we have to again configure this thing. Go to the existing one, click this one, connect. Let me refresh the page if it is getting created or not. Yeah, still it shows initialization failed. We will unlink from here. We'll go back and go to the data store. We'll see here. Okay, connected app and this thing. Okay, we'll delete this thing and we will again create data store. I'm not sure what name we have given there, or mail. Yeah, this is here. Go here, show all. Again we have to add the source, continue, client ID, and that we have to give, copy this thing, client ID, and this client secret, verify auth. Continue, allow this one, continue, US multi-region, data connector name, this one, copy and paste. Okay, create. Let's wait for some time once this is active. Okay, let's check if this is active or not. It is under creating state. We will wait for this being created active. Once it is in active state, we will connect this to our application. Yeah, our data store is activated. We will go to our enterprise application and we will connect this thing. Yeah, all this thing shows activated. Now we can proceed to our next step. On the connected data store page of your Gemini application, wait for all the stores being created. Reach an active status which is completed, and using Gemini Enterprise app in this thing, under search bar enable search company data tool. Okay, under search bar, this is the application. Oh, where it is? Under search bar enable search company data tool. Under search bar, I'm not seeing this thing anywhere. Using enterprise application under search bar enable this search company data. What we have to do? Go to our application, then open this application. It will take some time. It is loading. It is loading. Yeah, our application is here. Okay. Then go to the tools. Then enable this search company data. Yeah, that's it. Enter the following in the search bar to see result of your data store. Copy this thing and paste here. Yeah, it is working. We got the result. Test the model armor prompt injection policy by entering the following command in the search bar. Copy, paste the command. Let's see. Okay, it is working correctly. Try the following prompt to see the sensitive data protection policy. We'll paste this thing, and yeah, it is also working correctly. It is violating our organization policy which we have set. Let's check our progress. Yeah, done. It is completed. Now our third task is configure Gemini Enterprise feature. In this final task, we will fine tune the Gemini experience to balance powerful functionality with corporate identity. You will enable specific feature that assist financial advisors and apply symbol investments branding to the interface. Enable advanced AI features. Okay. Gemini Enterprise app also provide access to other generative AI features. So to enable that, what we have to do? Configure your this app to enable the following productivity feature. Activate the Gemini 3.1 Flash image model for image generation. Okay, what we have to do for that? This we have to go into the configuration, then feature management. Yeah, why it's not clickable? Yeah, feature management. Then Gemini 3.1 Flash image, right? This one. Confirm. This one only, right? Gemini 3.1 Flash image. Yeah. Save. And when selecting the model, confirm the dialog may appear. Start not available. Region that. Okay. Enable the model selector. Where? Where we have to select? Enable the model selector feature. Okay. Activate access to Gemini 3.1 Pro. Okay, where it is model selector. Yeah, here it is model selector. Okay, this one is enabled. What else? Enable web grounding for this application app to leverage enterprise web search. This ensures responses are enriched with the trusted external data while maintaining the strict governance and compliance controls required by the bank. Okay, enable web grounding. Where it is? Enable web grounding. Where we have to find that? Where we will get that? Go to the configuration, then go to the assist, and if you scroll little down, here we have the enable web grounding, which we have enabled, and Google search already we have did that. We have to change to the enterprise web search. We have to change to enterprise web search. Yeah. Save and publish. Then next, finally integrate symbol investment logo into branding settings of your application, aligning the AI experience with the organization visual identity standard. Click the logo link opened in the new browser tab. You can click the image. I'm not sure what we have to do here. Once the logo is integrated into the app, you can view the logo in the Gemini Enterprise app. We have to copy this link and then we have to go to the configuration, then search UI and the logo image. We have to paste our logo link and again save and publish. Once the logo is integrated into the app, you can view the logo in the Gemini Enterprise application. We will refresh our page. Let's see. Yeah, branding is visible on top. Yeah, branding is visible on our screen. Then this one is also completed. Check my progress. Yeah, we have finally we have finished this lab. Once we finish the lab, our score is 100 out of 100. Then we have to end the lab. After ending the lab, we have to submit our feedback, and that's submit the feedback. Do next. Open batch on Gradely and this thing. Okay, we'll open this thing. Go to the next. Okay, share the feedback, and that's it. Our lab is completed, and we got our badge also. In the next video, we'll see the next lab. Stay tuned and subscribe my channel for